Have you ever wished there was a simple, natural way to protect your eyes at night? Something that works quietly while you sleep? Imagine waking up with clearer, more comfortable vision, less dryness, and knowing that your eyes are being nourished from the inside out. For many seniors, eyesight begins to fade slowly, and we often assume it's just an unavoidable part of aging. But what if I told you that there are natural oils you can use before bed that may actually strengthen your vision and protect your eyes against further decline? Stay with me, because today we'll explore 4 powerful oils that could make a real difference in your eye health and comfort. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment if you find these tips helpful. That way you'll never miss out on more trusted advice to keep your eyes healthy and your vision sharp. Now let's get straight into it. The first thing to understand is that your eyes, just like your skin and your heart, need the right nutrients to stay healthy. We often think about glasses, surgeries, or eye drops, but we forget about natural nourishment. Oils have been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and modern research has shown that certain oils are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds, all of which play a major role in protecting vision. Taking the right oils at night is especially powerful because your body repairs itself during sleep. This is when healing and restoration are at their peak, so the oils you consume or apply can work more effectively. Think of it this way. While you sleep, your eyes are finally getting a break from screens, bright lights, and strain. By giving them the right nutrition before bed, you're essentially setting the stage for better vision and stronger eye health the next morning. Doesn't that sound like something worth trying? If it does, be sure to tap that like button and share this video with someone who might need it. Now let's talk about the first oil, fish oil. I know you've probably heard about fish oil for the heart, but what about the eyes? Fish oil is one of the richest sources of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA and EPA. These are not just fancy letters, they are essential fats that your eyes absolutely need. DHA, in fact, makes up a large part of the retina, the part of your eye responsible for capturing images. Without enough DHA, your retina can become weak, which may lead to blurry vision or even age-related conditions like macular degeneration. Research from respected medical journals, including studies published by the National Eye Institute, shows that omega-3 fatty acids from fish oil can reduce the risk of dry eye syndrome, protect against macular degeneration, and even slow the progression of vision loss in seniors. This is not just theory. Many older adults who start taking fish oil notice that their eyes feel less gritty, less tired, and less irritated. Imagine being able to enjoy your favorite book or watch TV at night without constantly rubbing your eyes or reaching for eye drops. That's the difference consistent fish oil intake can make. And here's the important part. When should you take it? Evening is actually one of the best times. Taking fish oil before bed allows your body to absorb and circulate those omega-3s during the night, helping reduce inflammation and dryness by morning. Some people even notice they wake up with less redness and irritation in their eyes. That's why adding just 1 to 2 capsules of high-quality fish oil or a spoonful of liquid fish oil before bed can be such a simple, natural strategy. Of course, not everyone likes the taste of fish oil. If that's you, don't worry. There are flavored versions or capsules that minimize any aftertaste. And if you're vegetarian or vegan, there are algae-based oils that provide the same essential omega-3s. The key is consistency. Just like brushing your teeth every night, making fish oil part of your bedtime routine is an easy way to care for your vision for years to come. If this is making sense so far, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with more practical eye health tips. Now let's move to the second oil that can work wonders for your eyes, evening primrose oil. This oil might not be as popular as fish oil, but it has gained respect among researchers and eye specialists for its unique benefits. Evening primrose oil is one of the richest natural sources of gamma-linolenic acid, or GLA for short. GLA is a type of omega-6 fatty acid that plays a vital role in reducing inflammation in the body, and when it comes to your eyes, this can make a big difference. Studies have shown that seniors who struggle with chronic dry eye syndrome can find real relief with evening primrose oil. In fact, clinical research published in the British Journal of Ophthalmology found that supplementing with evening primrose oil improved tear production and reduced irritation in patients with dry eyes. That means fewer burning sensations, less scratchiness, and more comfort when reading, watching TV, or simply resting your eyes at night. But that's not all. Evening primrose oil also contains antioxidants that may help protect the delicate tissues of the eyes from oxidative stress, the kind of damage that speeds up aging in the retina and lens. By taking this oil before bed, you're giving your body a natural tool to calm inflammation and support long-term vision health. The best way to use it is usually in capsule form, 1 or 2 soft gels taken with water in the evening. Some people also take it as a liquid, but capsules are easier and more common. The key, just like with fish oil, is to be consistent, because the benefits build up over time. If this is making sense so far, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with more practical eye health tips. Now, let's talk about the third oil on our list, and this one has been treasured for centuries in traditional medicine. Black seed oil, also known as Nigella sativa. This oil has been called the seed of blessing in many cultures, and modern science is beginning to confirm why. Black seed oil is rich in an active compound called thymoquinone, which has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, 2 things that are incredibly important for protecting vision as we age. When it comes to the eyes, inflammation and oxidative stress are behind many of the problems seniors face, from dryness to retinal degeneration. Black seed oil helps combat both. In fact, several studies have suggested that black seed oil may support retinal health, protect against oxidative damage, and even improve eye comfort in people with chronic irritation. Here's how many seniors choose to use it. Black seed oil is usually taken internally, 1 teaspoon before bed, or in capsule form for convenience. By working from the inside, it helps calm inflammation throughout the body, which in turn benefits the eyes. Some people also mix a drop of diluted black seed oil with warm water and drink it before bedtime for an added soothing effect. What makes black seed oil unique is that it doesn't just support comfort. It may also play a protective role against long-term damage to the eyes. Its antioxidant compounds shield the retina and lens, helping to slow down the aging process that leads to vision decline. If you've ever heard of black seed oil but never tried it, this might be the perfect reason to start. Let me know in the comments if you've used it before, and while you're here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss these eye health secrets. Now, let's move on to the fourth and final oil, one that you might already have sitting in your kitchen cabinet: coconut oil. This is often called the miracle oil, and while some claims about it are exaggerated, it does have very real benefits for the eyes. Coconut oil is packed with medium-chain fatty acids, especially lauric acid, which has antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory effects. This makes it not only useful for general health, but also surprisingly beneficial for your vision and eye comfort. For seniors, one of the biggest benefits of coconut oil is its ability to fight oxidative stress and inflammation around the eyes. Many older adults struggle with puffiness, irritation, or even mild eyelid infections like blepharitis. Applying a thin layer of coconut oil around the eyes before bed can soothe irritation, reduce swelling, and create a protective barrier against bacteria. It's like giving your eyes a gentle spa treatment overnight. Some people also use it as a natural moisturizer for the delicate skin around the eyes, which often becomes thinner and drier with age. And while coconut oil isn't taken internally as often for vision as fish or evening primrose oil, adding it to your diet can still help because it supports overall health, reducing inflammation that indirectly benefits the eyes. One practical Way to use coconut oil for your eyes is to simply warm a tiny bit between your fingers and gently dab it under your eyelids before sleeping. You'll notice the soothing effect right away, and over time it may even help reduce dryness and discomfort. Just make sure to use organic virgin coconut oil for the best results. Now let me ask you, have you ever tried any of these oils at night? If not, which one are you most excited to try first? Leave your answer in the comments, and while you're there, don't forget to like and share this video so more people can learn these natural tips. At this point, we've covered all 4 oils: fish oil, evening primrose oil, black seed oil, and coconut oil. Each of them works in its own way to support your eyes, whether through nutrition, hydration, or protection. But here's something important to keep in mind. While oils are powerful, they work best when combined with healthy habits. Eating a balanced diet, staying hydrated, protecting your eyes from excessive screen time, and getting regular checkups with your eye doctor are all part of the bigger picture. Think of these oils as supportive tools, not magic fixes. Remember, the beauty of natural approaches is that they often work gently and steadily. You may not notice results overnight, but with consistent use, your eyes can feel more comfortable, your vision may become clearer, and you might even reduce your risk of age-related eye problems. That's the real power of making these oils, part of your nightly routine. If you've found this helpful so far, make sure you're subscribed, because in a moment, I'll share some simple, real-life strategies for making these oils easy to use and stick with. And I promise you, consistency is the secret. Now that you know about the 4 natural oils that can truly make a difference for your eyes, let's talk about how to actually bring them into your daily life. Because let's be honest, knowing about something is one thing, but using it consistently, that's what creates results. The easiest way to start is by making these oils part of your bedtime routine. For example, right after you brush your teeth at night, you can take your fish oil or evening primrose oil capsule with a small glass of water. If you prefer liquid form, keep a bottle on the kitchen counter or by your nightstand as a visual reminder. For black seed oil and coconut oil, keep them in a small container in your bathroom so you remember to gently apply or take them before bed. The key here is consistency because the benefits build up over time. Think of it like tending a garden. You don't see flowers bloom the very next day, but with steady care, water, and sunlight, you'll eventually enjoy something beautiful. Your eyes are the same. Each night that you give them nourishment and protection, you're helping them stay stronger and clearer for years to come. Doesn't that sound worth the effort? If you agree, hit the like button right now and let me know in the comments how you'll start using these oils. Let's also look at a few real-life applications. One of my patients, a retired teacher in her 70s, used to complain about constant dry, itchy eyes. She told me reading her favorite novels had become a struggle because she had to keep stopping to blink and rub her eyes. After she started taking evening primrose oil every night and gently applying coconut oil around her eyelids, she noticed within weeks that her eyes didn't feel as gritty anymore. She was able to go back to reading for hours without discomfort. Another gentleman in his early 60s began taking fish oil before bed, and he reported not only clearer vision in the mornings, but also fewer headaches from eye strain. These are small, simple changes, but the improvements in quality of life are huge. Studies back this up too. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition highlights that seniors who consume omega-3s regularly have a lower risk of age-related macular degeneration, one of the leading causes of blindness in older adults. Another study found that evening primrose oil improved tear film stability in people with chronic dry eye. These are not miracle cures, but they're proven ways to support the eyes and slow down the aging process. And when you combine science with personal stories, it becomes clear. This is something real you can do for yourself. Of course, a little word of caution. Always check with your doctor before starting new supplements, especially if you're already on medications or have conditions like high blood pressure or diabetes. Oils are natural, but they still interact with your body, and it's important to make sure everything works safely together. With that said, for most people, adding these natural oils is both safe and effective. So here's my encouragement to you. Don't wait until your vision worsens. Start tonight. Pick one of these oils, fish oil, evening primrose oil, black seed oil, or coconut oil, and make it part of your bedtime habit. Even the smallest step can create a big change down the road. And the beauty of this approach is that it's not expensive, it doesn't require complicated treatments, and it works with your body's natural rhythm of healing at night. Imagine yourself months from now, waking up with clearer, more comfortable eyes, able to read, drive, or watch TV without as much strain. Imagine feeling confident that you're protecting your eyes naturally instead of just waiting for problems to appear. That's the gift you can give yourself by starting now. Before we close, let me ask you a quick question. Which oil do you feel most drawn to trying first? Fish oil for its omega-3 power? Evening primrose oil for its soothing benefits? Black seed oil for its antioxidant protection? Or coconut oil for that natural moisture and comfort? Share your choice in the comments because I'd love to hear your thoughts. And who knows? Your comment might inspire someone else to take action for their eye health too. And if you've stayed with me all the way to the end of this video, thank you. You've just taken an important step in protecting your vision naturally. Please subscribe, like this video, and share it with a friend or family member who might benefit from these tips. Together, we can spread the word that caring for our eyes doesn't have to be complicated or scary. Sometimes it's as simple as using the right natural oils before bed. Your vision is precious. It connects you to your loved ones, your favorite hobbies, and the world around you. Don't take it for granted. Nourish it, protect it, and give it the care it deserves. And remember, small daily habits can create lifelong benefits. So tonight, take that little step. Your future self will thank you.